Luke Konjorski here with yet another edition of Luke's A Tuesday Tip. Now today, we're going to go ahead and talk to you about cleaning the inside of your dishwasher. Now first things first, we're going to go ahead and make sure that there's no foreign objects in there. We want to clean this thing all the way out. Oh, my Spanish book. Guten Tag. All right, now that that's cleaned out, second thing we need to do is grab your rack and find the drain at the bottom. At the bottom of every dishwasher, there's a little drain with a trap. This thing gets clogged up quite often with all your food particles and things like that. Go ahead and empty that out and replace it. Now, second thing you need to do, put your rack back in. And then grab a little vinegar. Half a cup to a cup. Pour it in a bowl or a measuring cup, something like that. And place it on your top rack. Then what you're going to do is you're going to find the hottest temperature setting. Got it. And run a full load in there. All that vinegar is going to clean out all the gunk, the good stuff. Zip her up real tight. Now, once that's done, empty out this water. Take a look at it. If you need to go one step further, you can use a little baking soda. Dribble some in there, chalk it up on the bottom. Go ahead and do the same thing. Make sure it's on the hottest setting. Got it. Run that again. Now, warning, do not put both of these in at the same time. Do the vinegar first, do the baking soda second. Otherwise, you'll have a mutiny on your hands. Well, I'm Luke Konjorski, and that's Luke's Tuesday Tip. Thanks for watching, and we'll see ya next Tuesday.